Looking for a way to make your dynamic product ads truly stand out and skyrocket your ROAS? If you run Facebook ads for an e-commerce brand, you have to check out Marpipe. This innovative tool is designed to completely transform your standard catalog ads. From what we can gather from its presentation, Marpipe helps you whip up countless exciting variations of your DPAs, moving beyond simple product on white backdrop ads. Users report that it makes their DPA ads pop. The platform's enriched catalogs feature is highlighted as a powerful yet underrated lever, especially for big promotional periods. Ever feel like your meta catalog ads are just blending into the noise? What if you could make them pop and drive a $5 ROAS? Today we're diving deep into Marpipe, a tool that claims to do exactly that. It's all about supercharging your dynamic product ads or DPAs. Instead of settling for standard repetitive catalog ads, Marpipe enables you to get creative and generate a massive number of engaging ad variations. The results speak for themselves, with users witnessing performance boosts over 50% and CTRs that skyrocket. The secret sauce seems to be their enriched catalogs, which add a new dimension to your product feeds during key sales periods. While the commitment is serious, think 5-figure annual plans. The consensus from brands that use it is overwhelmingly positive, citing fantastic support and a tangible impact on ad efficiency. For any serious e-commerce advertiser, this is one tool that demands a closer look to see if it can revolutionize your creative workflow. The first tier is free, designed for small brands looking to save time and money. It allows you to connect your Shopify store, clean up and organize your product feed, and launch it as catalog ads. This plan includes support for 3 live designs and has a cap of 500 SKUs and an ad spend limit of $25K per month. The second tier is a Q4 special priced at $5 at $1,000, which unlocks all creative features, provides dedicated onboarding and support, and includes white glove design services. It offers unlimited live designs and enriched feeds, along with unlimited SKUs and ad spend. The top tier is Get a Demo, which includes all the features of the previous plans and additionally unlocks optimizations, generative AI for feeds, and product-level video capabilities. Goodbye, my dear, and see you later.